you want to set a sale price on your Shopify store, like on this example, where a certain product is on sale from 100 euros to 69.90 euros? Well, in today's tutorial I will show you step by step how to do exactly that by using an example product right here. So to get started, head over to the Shopify dashboard. Now if you don't already have a Shopify store, I will leave you a link to the best Shopify free trial offer out there down below. Now once we are right here, we will have to head over to the products tab on the left. This would be the option, basically this would be the place where you can then select a product which you want to add a sale onto. So I'm just going to select the Running Sempre sunglasses, which are from the brand Running. Make sure to check them out if you want to. Now under pricing right here, you can then actually find two different options. The price, this is going to be 50 bucks, as you can see right here, and then also the compared price. Now adding a sale is pretty easy. Let's for example say that you do want to actually discount this product right here from 50 bucks to 25 bucks, so a 50% sale. Now in this case what we would have to do is to actually copy this price and add it as the compared price. Then we are going to subtract this by 50% and we are going to price the actual product at 25 euros. So we are then going to save this. And now we can actually view this and we can refresh this. Now this is going to show that this is discounted from 50 euros and that there is a sale going on, and this now only costs us 25 bucks. Perfect. Now if you do want to actually set up this sale as a percentage, make sure to watch my tutorial on that. I will leave you a video down below for that. Either way, that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.